Nkiama ya Kurwa Na Mbogita yana kada amwe na arungamiri UKARIA ntukuyanarwa nibekete kigomano kumenyana guchwana ngerekana ya kurwana na andu a Mbogita ire baugite nyingi muno eriuma nthigurune muturi ya Ethiopia.
We are all here as regional security teams to try and forge a working relationship on how we can step up the fight against drug and substance abuse. And in Eastern region, I want to say that we are looking at this problem in two ways. Number one is the supply side and the demand side. On the supply side, where are these drugs coming from? We are talking about the drugs coming from Ethiopia, specifically a place called MUCEMANIO. This is the drug that is very popular with our youths in Kenya now. And so what we are doing as a region is that we have first had a meeting with the Ethiopian authorities to try and see how we can stop from the source from this drug from entering our country.
I can tell you that bangi is the most abused narcotic substance in the country, and it is responsible for a number of mental illnesses. Leave around the politics about bangi, it is very harmful. And those countries that have gone down that route, Peru, Mexico, South American countries, they started growing this cannabis for the pharmaceutical industry. But because of diversion into illicit markets, they have suffered very serious consequences. So I hope that the politics around the legalization of cannabis should come out very clearly and give us best examples where this has happened. I can tell you there are very few. If there are any cases, it's only the ones who have tightly controlled the production so that there is no diversion, and with contracts with some pharmaceutical companies.